raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that, cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, good the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get you. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit.
Open a cold one with the boys.
I'm gonna go right to that car.
The car? Okay.
Yeah. Never mind.
Never mind. My fucking armpit. What the fuck happened to my hopper? Third point of view, baby. I got you. Go. Oh, ee.
Fast as fuck, boy.
Oh! You see that parkour?
Oh!
You got
holy
him?
Shit!
You got him?
I saw it going right for his face.
Nice.
12 seconds later.
Is there left? Oh. What's up, guys? Who wants to play airsoft, bro? It's all about chilling. We just need some lights, some music.
Dude, yeah, we're already getting party.
So put your hands down my pants, and I'll bet you'll feel nuts.
Raise my neck. Raise my neck.
Sorry about it, buddy. Yeah, he's still behind the truck.
No!
Nah, you were too much to the left.
Oh, damn. That's a hard hitter. Yeah, that's a fucking fat gun.
That's a fat gun. Damn it. I really want to make a run for it. Hey!
Okay.
Oh! Oh!
I shit myself. I fucking shit myself.
No. Yeah, there's no one. There's no one in here, Dutch. You killed me?
I thought I was hitting him.
No one's in here.
I thought I was hitting him. I was like, how was I not hitting him?
So are you gonna shoot me if I pop out? God damn it! Who threw that?
Exactly.
Hit. What the fuck do with these? Did you throw this? You bitch. You bitch.
A few moments later.
Damn it, Dutch! God damn it! At least I got someone.
Don't yell out hit. Don't say I'm hit. Just put your hand up, walk out to the bench over there and sit quietly. You cannot shoot while you're dead. Okay? Alright, heads down, eyes closed, hand out. I won't pull my knife.
If we truce with everybody, there'd be no.
Yeah, so we're only truce with
We
each
already
other.
had a truce.
Yeah, we already.
Okay, yeah, that's true. We had
We
a.
already did. We already had a truce.
Yeah, I shook his hand too, though.
Wow. Sorry. Okay, fine. You're here. You're here now. I'll truce with you until the very end.
Okay, shit.
But I
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely.
Oh, I thought he was in a little trouble because they guessed right defensively.
For my own.
still can't trust me. Yeah, I know.
Damn, bro. You're just leaving me hanging. No, you good. I was not a traitor.
Oh wow, this moved.
Yeah, truce.
Let's
Wait.
move out from over here. This place sucks. Lock it. Over there, guys.
Guys. Traitors over there.
Over there.
Hey, chill. Oh my God, you don't trust me. This guy wouldn't stop shooting at me, so I don't know. Don't shoot me in my back, bro. Come on. Hey, who's shooting at them? Gotcha. Bang, bang. You're done.
Oh, fuck!
Sorry about it. don't think anyone.
What the fuck was that? The ultimate betrayal. I'm sorry.
I'm a traitor. I'm a traitor. What the?
I know, the ultimate betrayal.
Wow, my first TT ends like that. Wow. Yeah. He was like, he just walked up behind me. Bang bang.
We're both traitors.
How? That's not cool, bro.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to jab my barrel into.
Oh no, you good. I kind of turned into it anyways. Thank you for picking me.
You know,
that was fun.
I was like, dude, I'm gonna trust him.
I'm so sorry. That was my first TTT. I had to get someone.
Sorry.
Comfy?
So good.
Bro, I was going like, I got 2 people. I was kind of confusing people. I was going good, and then game is about to end. I feel a barrel in me. Bang bang.
You got bang. He got.
I was a traitor and the traitor. Ultimate betrayal.
We're both traitors.
Oh. Well, there it was, you guys. I hope you enjoyed what you just watched. Anyways though, so in the beginning of the video I said I'm going to be talking about gameplay or whatever. However, if you are not a subscriber, alright, you've never seen my face before, you've never seen the channel, you don't care about me or the channel, you just clicked on this video because you wanted to see a video like this, you know, you can definitely go ahead and click off the video right now because I don't want to waste your time. However, if you are new and you haven't subscribed and you liked what you just watched, go ahead and click that sub button, maybe listen to what I have to say. I'd really appreciate that. If not though, it's cool, I understand. However, so now to all my actual loyal subscribers, supporters, fans, whatever you want to call yourselves, I want to start talking about gameplay with you guys. So you guys may be thinking, Steven, this was really random. Where did this video come from? You've never uploaded anything like this, and you're absolutely right. However, you know, I'm starting this new path that I'm taking, you know, I'm just diving in full force in terms of new content that I'm going to be uploading regularly, which is obviously gameplay content. And to start this new journey, this new path, you know, whatever you want to call it, I wanted to start it off, you know, kick it off with just something light, maybe something funny, you know, hopefully I got a smile out of you, maybe a giggle, chuckle, maybe even a full-on laugh, I don't know. But I wanted to upload something light, just to, as I said, to start this all off. And then, you know, after this, you guys, I'm going to start posting actual gameplay content quite regularly. Well, at least that's what I plan to do. But no, in all seriousness, I will start adding gameplay content to, you know, the content that I'm already, you know, putting out for you guys. And, you know, speaking of which, all the content that I'm already doing, tomorrow's video, I'm actually uploading back to back. Tomorrow is a very special video. The channel has achieved something freaking crazy. All right, this is probably my biggest accomplishment, the channel's biggest accomplishment, and it's huge, you guys. It's actually like big. Like I'm not even like over like selling this. Like it's actually it's actually kind of crazy. I don't know what else to say about it. You're just gonna have to wait and see what it is tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm uploading that video tomorrow. It's gonna be going up at 12 p.m. or 12:30 p.m. PST, which is my time. So if you're on the East Coast, you're 3 hours ahead of me, which will be 3:30. If you're 2 hours ahead, you get the idea. Just find out whatever the time is for you, wherever you live. But yeah, 12:30 p.m. PST. Anyways though, that is pretty much everything. So again, if you're not a subscriber and you're still watching this and you're gonna leave a nasty comment, oh my god, you talked for so much at the end, I told you, you didn't have to watch this, alright? You didn't have to. If you stuck through this and you listen to what I have to say, obviously you care, and if you still type something in the comments, you're just trolling at that point. But yeah, you guys, again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you enjoyed what you just watched, I'd really appreciate it. And leave a thumbs up if you also liked the video. You know, I'd appreciate that as well. Okay, I'm done. I talked about everything I wanted to talk about. So anyways, again, tomorrow's video, stay tuned, 12:30 p.m. PST, and get ready. Biggest thing, this is what mostly this section of the video is about. Get ready for gameplay content regularly on this channel. Okay, I'm not going to turn this into a completely gameplay channel if that's what you're thinking, but I'm going to start adding quite a few gameplay videos to my content repertoire, or I get whatever you want to call it. You guys know what I mean. Oh my god, I freaking knew it. I'm rambling. All right, I'm done talking. I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay?